A pleasant day to everyone. My name is Vida Alteadi Mundares and I'm from HRS 23. And for today, I will discuss the proposal of my cultural events. Jim's Catering and Events is located at Puerta de Isabela, Morales Street, corner Magallanes Drive. It is owned and managed by Ms. Vida Alteadi Mundares, who dream of extending her help for those who want their events to be remarkable. Founded in 2008, GEMS Catering and Services is designed to meet the needs of the ever-changing social world. With these thousands of journeys, we upgraded our strengths and have collected a lot of experience. With a team of people who is creative, dynamic, and dedicated professionals, we have pushed all areas of event management to new frontiers. We are accepting any events that is given to us and we are glad to make that event remarkably and extraordinary. Our main objective is satisfying our customer. Our people are well composed, charming, well trained, professional, experienced and uniform lady coordinations, equipped with two-way radio gadgets for better communication and coordination so as to make your event hassle-free and worry-free, from planning, designing, preparation, and execution. In any emergency situation during the event, our usherettes are ready to assist your guests at any time. We continuously conduct regular training and orientation to our staff, and participate in workshops or trades fairs for the latest trends in the industry. It has already handled more than thousands of social life cycle and corporate events held to various venues in Metro Manila and nearby province. Our business operations expands from Luzon, Visayas to Mindanao. We believe that there is no better business than that is given at by satisfy the client. Being one of the best events and catering management, we always discuss to our clients for them to understand their objectives and deliver solutions that we can meet and exceed their expectation. Capabilities to manage the event. GEMS Catering and Events is a full-service event planning company that provides complete planning, consulting, and supervision for both corporate and social events. GEMS Catering and Events provides our clients with spectacular events through creativity and uniqueness based on individual taste and preference. Whether the event is corporate or social, design layouts, event formats, and decor with the ultimate goal of making your design specific event of a most elegant, unique, and memorable experience. To assure the most remarkable and astonishing event of a client's choice, businesses are reaching to us to effectively plan and conduct their events. Our services are designed to meet their creative needs as well. Yesterday, companies and organizations assigned responsibility for planning of events to someone within their company or organization. Today, more and more companies and organizations are seeking to hire professionals. We also have two testimonials, one from Bangus Festival and one for Atiatihan Festival. For the organizational chart, Vidal Teadi Mandaras is the service manager, Park Sojan is the event coordinator, Lee Minho is the service information manager, Kang Hanol is the service logistic manager, Yun Bin is the service security manager, and Ji Chang Wook is the service infrastructure manager. Secretariat. Project a high-tech image for this committee. Bring in the multimedia equipment to give a first impression to the delegates. Equip the Secretariat with tools and materials such as computers to input, registrations of members, forms to fill up, registration, optional tours, room requests, transportation needs, and etc. We also have copying machines, papers, telephone lines, phone booth, cell phones, cell cards, internet connection, etc. And for the transportation charges, number one, all items in the price list may be subject to transport charge. Number two, for third party, suppliers party time still has to confirm transport charge. Number three, this transport charge will be supplied to you before your down payment. For the payment terms, 50% down payment is required upon reservation or order of anything. Remaining balance must be paid in full for the last working day before the event. If payments to be made in check, please make sure check is cleared the last working day before your event. Otherwise, we will ask to pay the balance in cash again and return the payment to you via check with another check of our own. No down payment, no reservation. Client hereby acknowledge that in case of cancellation for whatever reason before the schedule of event, all payments shall be forfeited. Delay in the settlement of balance payment may merit 10% interest depending on the length of the time of the day. GEMS Catering and Events may accept rush orders but with a corresponding rush charge. GEMS Catering and Events reserves the right not to accept bookings if management feels the event is too close for the company and if fully booked by the time of deposit, regardless if client is inquired several months before the event. Strictly no refund after delivery of performance. Prices may be subject to change without prior notice. GEMS Catering and Events reserves the right to ask for additional payment on the day of the event. Gate entry, charges for subdivisions, charges of lack of service elevator, overtime fees for talents or waiters, etc. Client must pay this in full cash at the end of the event. Fortuitous events. In case of fortuitous events, force of nature, GEMS Catering and Events will charge 100% of delivery and setup has been made by the time of official cancellation of client via text, email, or in writing, of any talent, setup, decor, food booth, etc. In case of fortuitous event, force of nature, GEMS Catering and Events will charge 75% of the contract rate if cancellations has been made on the same day as the event, but delivery has not been made. In case of fortuitous event, GEMS and Catering Services will charge a certain percentage depending on the feedback of talents, suppliers, etc. if cancellation is made within the week of the event. GEMS Catering and Events cannot be made liable of lateness or inability to perform on times of extreme events such as earthquake, floods, and typhoon signal number 3. In this area, we have two packages. One is package A and package B. For the package A, for the decor it is 150,000 pesos. For the package B, it's 200,000 pesos. For the catering, for the package A, 250,000 pesos. Package B, 350,000 pesos. For the music, for the band and DJ, 40,000 pesos for the package A, 35,000 for the package B. For photography, 55,000 pesos for the package A and 30,000 for the package B. Service charge, 10% is 60,550, 70,000 for the package B. Sales tax, 12% for the number package A, 63,160, while the package B is 50,048 pesos and 60 cents. For contingency funds, 20%, 99,100 pesos and 25 cents. For the package B, it's 80,081 pesos. And the total amount of this one is 508,510 pesos and 25 cents for the package A. And for the package B, it's 395,169 pesos and 65 cents. Here is our participating partner. For the music, Music First. For the studio, Silver Moon Studio and RSVP Film Studios. For the J-Jam Party Needs Rental, and also GEMS Catering and Events.